Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach for baby. First, select fresh, organic spinach leaves to ensure the highest quality and nutrient content for your little one. Next, thoroughly wash approximately 1 cup of spinach under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Finally, carefully remove any tough stems from the spinach leaves, as these can be difficult to blend and digest for babies. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe puree. Now, let's cook the spinach. You can either steam or boil the spinach until it becomes very tender, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Steaming is often preferred as it helps retain more nutrients. Be careful not to overcook the spinach, as this can diminish its vitamin and mineral content. Once cooked, drain the spinach thoroughly to remove any excess water, preparing it for the next step. With the spinach cooked, it's time to puree it for your baby. Place the tender spinach into a blender or food processor. Add a small amount of breast milk, formula, or even water to help achieve the desired consistency. Blend until the spinach is completely smooth and free of any lumps, ensuring it's easy for your baby to swallow. You can serve this nutritious puree warm or at room temperature. For storage, any leftover spinach puree can be kept in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in ice cube trays. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a freezer-safe bag where they will last for up to 3 months. Remember to always thaw and reheat gently. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other helpful deals to make your meal prep even easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.